Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Know your exact device and OS because menus differ. Once you have a backup, open Settings and type Lock or Security to jump straight to relevant controls. You do this now to avoid wasting time navigating menus later. Make sure location services or administrator policies aren't blocking changes. If they are, you'll need to disable them first. Next, find the lock screen settings. This is where the emergency dial toggle or related accessibility options usually live. Once done, scroll through lock screen and accessibility sections. You're looking for emergency call, emergency info, or a lock screen call access toggle. Tap the entry and switch the emergency dial off or restrict lock screen call access by disabling that specific permission. If you don't see it, check Device Administrator or Mobile Device Management profiles. These often enforce emergency access. Also inspect accessibility services that add emergency shortcuts. Disable only the service that provides the dial to remove the button safely. You finish by locking the screen and verifying the emergency dial is gone. Test twice to be certain. If it remains, reboot the device and recheck the settings you changed, plus any active MDM or administrator profiles that might reapply policies at startup. Make sure you did not disable critical emergency info unintentionally. If removal fails, reset lock screen settings or consult the device administrator. This resolves managed policy conflicts while preserving emergency service access when needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.